Winter's here, and these rugged 4x4 camper vans are ready for extreme adventures in snow-covered landscapes. Today, we'll explore 20 incredible winter-ready vans designed to brave the cold while offering unmatched comfort. Buckle up, and let's dive into the ultimate list of off-road campers for the winter. Number 1 takes us into the Yabba by Nomad Vanz, a luxury 4x4 camper built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter VS30 chassis. And trust us, it's got everything for winter explorers. With its Wallace 800D diesel cooktop and Vitrifrigo dual fridge system, this van is ready to keep you cozy and fed no matter the cold. Powered by a 1,200 amp-hour lithium battery system, you'll stay off-grid for days with ease. Tackling rough winter terrain is a breeze thanks to the Agile Off-Road RIP kit and Dakar Zero wheels, while the interior offers a warm, functional space with premium amenities like a gourmet kitchen and a convertible bed. Insulation and a diesel furnace ensure you stay toasty in frigid weather, making the Yabba a true winter warrior for off-road lovers. The Titan Van's Mercedes Sprinter 170 extended 4x4 is ready for winter's worst. With a Webasto furnace and Thinsulate insulation, this van is built to handle sub-zero temperatures with ease. Off-grid power is seamless with a 330-watt solar panel, a Victron Multiplus 3000 inverter, and a robust charging system that switches between solar, alternator, and shore power. For winter comfort, it boasts BF Goodrich, KO2 tires, and a Van Compass suspension, ready to tackle snowy and icy roads. Inside, a bi-slide bed platform and teak-floored shower add a touch of luxury, while the 22-gallon water tank and winterized system ensure water flows even in the cold. El Capitan Van's Dreamweaver is a perfect blend of luxury and winter durability. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, it features lithium battery-powered heating and heavy-duty insulation to keep the interior warm and inviting. The star of the interior is the unique Honey Bunny bed, which smoothly transitions from a lounge to a sleeping space. With a dual induction cooktop, a spacious stainless steel drawer fridge, and a large sink, the kitchen has all you need for long journeys. Solar panels keep everything powered, and the outdoor awning makes it perfect for winter evenings. With the Dreamweaver, winter travel transforms into an inviting experience, making every snowy adventure feel like home. Benchmark Vehicles the Argonaut, based on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4, is crafted for those who crave rugged winter escapades. Outfitted with an Agile Off-Road RIP kit, a Roam Safari rack, and Terra Wagon fender flares, this beast handles tough winter terrain effortlessly. Inside, it offers generous storage, including bike racks under the bed for any additional winter gear. The diesel heater and insulated interior are tailored for frigid conditions, ensuring warmth no matter the outside temperature. Built with high-end off-grid systems, the Argonaut is a perfect winter base camp, delivering the toughness you need for the wildest winter nights and making remote exploration a comfortable, stylish affair. Outside Van's Paramount, set on the Mercedes Sprinter 3500, takes winter travel to a new level with its hydronic heating system and altitude bed, which you can adjust for lounging or sleeping. The van features a unique heated gear drying system and insulated water storage, keeping everything functional in the cold. In the kitchen, you'll find a deep sink, hidden induction cooktop, and ample storage for longer trips. Built for snowy conditions, it rides on Toyo open country tires and includes a custom suspension setup, making every winter adventure both luxurious and worry-free. With the Paramount, your cold weather journeys are elevated, letting you focus on the thrill of exploration without sacrificing comfort. If you're enjoying this roundup, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventure-focused content. The Wilderness Van's Gladstone Ram ProMaster combines winter resilience with a smart, cozy design, tailored for chilly off-grid adventures. Powered by a diesel furnace and wrapped in premium insulation, it promises warmth no matter how cold it gets outside. This van maximizes space with clever storage solutions, including Baltic birch drawers and a convertible bed that lets you shift between day and night setups seamlessly. In the kitchen, you'll find a 2-burner stove, a sink with a 12-volt pump, and a large fridge, ensuring you have everything you need for extended trips. Solar panels and a diesel heater keep the Gladstone running even in harsh winter conditions, while the rear storage is spacious enough to hold all your winter gear, from snowboards to skis. For fans of classic style with modern functionality, Nomad Moonraker brings vintage charm to winter expeditions. Inspired by the iconic Moonraker film, this van, built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, is primed for cold weather travels with R-rated insulation and a Webasto heater that banishes the chill. The spacious interior features flare space extensions, giving you a better view and added safety exits, perfect for winter backcountry escapes. The cozy platform bed invites you to rest after a day on the road, while versatile storage keeps all your gear in place. With Moonraker's high-level craftsmanship and durable design, winter trips are a thrilling blend of nostalgia and rugged functionality. The Yamaha Grand Teton Show van is as bold as its namesake, blending rugged off-road power with the creature comforts you need for cold weather camping. This winter-ready powerhouse is inspired by the Land Rover Defender, equipped with Toyo 33-inch tires and a suspension that can handle the roughest snowy terrains. Inside, it comfortably fits up to 4 people, thanks to a hydraulic heating system, heated floors, and a fully equipped kitchen that's designed to keep you cozy in the coldest conditions. With a 200-watt solar system and a lithium battery bank, the Grand Teton makes off-grid winter adventures feel more like home. The Solstice by Adventure Company, built on the 2023 Mercedes Sprinter 2500 AWD, is built to shine in winter's harshest conditions. This camper van includes a fully off-grid solar power setup and a hydronic water heating system, perfect for a warm shower after a snowy day outdoors. Inside, it's fitted with a black stainless steel sink with a stylish walnut insert, an induction cooktop, and plenty of overhead storage. A Webasto heater and solid insulation ensure that even the coldest nights stay comfortable, while the rugged exterior, featuring a rear door tire carrier and ladder, is built for winter terrain. The Solstice is ready to take you wherever winter calls, letting you explore in total warmth and style. Limitless Van's Rogue Ford Transit delivers off-grid power and a taste of luxury for winter adventurers. This van, set on a Ford Transit, includes an upgraded suspension, reinforced skid plates, and BFG KO, 2 tires designed for icy, unpredictable terrain. Inside, you'll find a spacious lounge area that converts into a comfortable bed, making it perfect for cozy winter nights. The kitchen includes a dual induction cooktop, while a wet bath ensures you have everything you need for extended stays off-grid. With 800 amp hours of Victron batteries and solar panels, this setup keeps you powered throughout your journey. The Rogue combines durability with refined comfort, letting you conquer snowy landscapes with confidence and ease. Brooklyn Camper. Vanz the mothership is designed to be a haven in the harshest winter conditions. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis, it packs warmth with a Webasto diesel heater and an insulated interior lined with Baltic birch cabinetry. Inside, there's a front-position shower, an induction burner, and a fixed bed to keep things simple yet comfortable. With a spacious 40-gallon water tank, ample solar panels, and a durable insulation setup, this van makes long winter trips feel less like roughing it and more like cozying up at home. Practical storage options and heavy-duty weatherproofing ensure you're always ready, even when the cold gets intense. NA Campers, ONI, is a head-turning, adventure-ready van crafted on the Mercedes Sprinter 170, featuring a durable design tailored for rugged expeditions. With powerful insulation, a combined heating system, and an adjustable interior setup, this van stays comfortable and efficient in harsh winter climates. The elevated fixed bed in the rear creates ample storage underneath, accommodating full-size mountain bikes and essential gear for any terrain. Inside, an elegant bathroom with a wood floor and stainless steel finishes provides a refined touch, while modular aluminum cabinets add storage flexibility. Equipped with Baja LP6 lights, a Van Compass suspension lift, and BF Goodrich KO2 tires, the ONI handles challenging trails with ease, blending practicality with luxury. The Weinberg Cara Tour 455 delivers a robust winter setup for those who want to go further off the beaten path. Powered by a 170 HP engine, this rugged van rolls on 16-inch steel wheels and features a Truma Combi 4D heating system, which can even be upgraded to 6D for extra warmth in extreme temperatures. Noise-reducing flush-mounted windows and thick insulation ensure a quiet, cozy interior, while the 2.5-meter transverse bed and ample storage make it a versatile choice. External connections for wastewater and power simplify setup in snowy conditions, allowing you to focus on the journey. The Bailey Adamo 694, built on a Ford Transit chassis, blends practical design with a touch of elegance, making it a top choice for year-round adventurers. Featuring a 160 HP engine with standard automatic transmission, this motorhome ensures a smooth, enjoyable drive. Inside, a spacious lounge area offers plenty of seating, enhanced by a large electrically adjustable drop-down bed that's ideal for quick setup. The kitchen includes a 3-burner hob, oven, and ample counter space, perfect for on-the-road meals. With a fully lined shower cubicle and generous wardrobe, the Adamo 694 combines comfort and functionality. The Wilderness Van's Gladstone Ford Transit is a winter warrior, upgraded from its Ram ProMaster counterpart with enhanced features. Equipped with a Webasto Evo 40 heater and a 75-inch slide-out bed, this Ford Transit build keeps you warm while maximizing interior space. Solar panels provide power, while a cassette toilet and retractable shower add convenience for longer journeys. The van's durable insulation and advanced power setup make it perfectly suited for off-grid winter travel. allowing you to explore with confidence. The Adventure Company Enduro is ready to conquer winter's toughest terrain. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis, this van includes insulated panels, a reliable Trumacombi heating system, and a solar panel setup, making it a dream for off-grid winter travel. Its Van Compass suspension and durable wheels keep the ride smooth, even over icy trails, while inside, thoughtful storage and a compact shower offer practicality without compromising comfort. With its sleek design and robust winter-ready features, the Enduro allows you to embrace the season's challenges. Wherever the road may lead, this camper has you covered, making it a perfect base camp for winter escapades. The Adria Twin Plus is a Fiat Ducato-based van that's cleverly optimized for winter travel, with a transverse bed that folds up for extra storage, high-level lockers, and a dependable heating system. Adria's clever insulation keeps the cold out, creating a cozy interior even in low temperatures. This van's compact yet spacious layout is perfect for storing winter gear like bikes or snowboards, offering flexibility without sacrificing comfort. The Twin Plus combines practicality with warmth, allowing for easy transitions from urban settings to winter wilderness. With its thoughtfully designed space and cold weather amenities, it's a solid choice for those who want versatility and comfort throughout their winter adventures. The Storyteller Overland Mode, 4x4, crafted on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, is purpose-built for winter with robust insulation and high-efficiency diesel heater that keeps warmth locked in during frigid nights. Inside, the flexible, thoughtfully designed layout offers a cozy sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and ample storage options, making it comfortable for extended winter getaways. At just under 6 meters in length, it's compact enough for navigating both city streets and remote, icy trails with ease. This van blends versatility and resilience, catering to adventurers seeking dependable comfort in challenging winter conditions. The Winnebago Revel, based on the rugged Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, offers winter functionality without compromising on quality. Outfitted with a powerful hydronic heating system and advanced insulation, it is designed to handle the cold with ease. Inside, a power lift bed maximizes storage space, and the thoughtfully organized galley and wet bath provide all the essentials for winter camping. Measuring just under 6 meters, the Revel is compact and agile, ideal for urban explorations or snowy mountain paths. The Thor Motor Coach Sanctuary, also built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, brings all-season comfort in a compact winter-ready design. Equipped with thermal insulation, a powerful diesel heater, and heated seats, it ensures warmth even in icy conditions. Inside, the Murphy-style bed folds away to maximize floor space, and the fully equipped kitchenette and wet bath provide added convenience for winter excursions. This agile and robust camper is designed for adventurers who need a maneuverable yet cozy winter companion, allowing seamless transitions from snowy trails to city streets, while ensuring a comfortable, self-sufficient experience. As we wrap up this showcase of winter-ready 4x4 camper vans, we'd love to know which model caught your eye. Drop your favorite in the comments below. For more inspiring content, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing adventures.